Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Pharma Creations. Now we are going to discuss the MCQs of Pharmacology 1 BP 4040. This is the D/2 question paper of summer examination 2019. One by one we will discuss its MCQs and their answers. So this is the MCQ number 1. What does pharmacokinetics include? Option A is localization of a drug action, B is mechanism of drug action, C is excretion of substances, D is interaction of substances. So here pharmacokinetics includes the study that is absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of a drug. So if we see these options, among these options only excretion is present over here. That is the study which is involved in the pharmacokinetics. So here the correct option is excretion of the substances. Next, BMCQ. What does the term bioavailability mean? Option A is plasma protein binding degree of substance, B is permeability through the brain blood barrier, C is fraction of unchanged drug reaching the systemic circulation following any route administration, D is amount of a substance in urine relative to the initial dose. So here if we see the definition for bioavailability, it is nothing but the amount that reaches to the systemic circulation when you are administering into your body by any route of administration. So option C is correct, which is the fraction of unchanged drug reaching to the systemic circulation. Next MCQ. Tolerance develops because of option A is diminished absorption, B is rapid excretion of a drug, C is both of the above and D is none of the above. So reason for the tolerance is when you are taking the drug for the longer duration of a time, at that time the tolerance will develop, that you will become the habitual for that drug. That is the nothing but the tolerance. But here the different reasons are given, that is diminished absorption, rapid excretion of a drug. Both are not the reasons for development of the tolerance. So C option is not correct. Here the correct option is D, none of the above. Next MCQ. Pharmacodynamics involves the study of following except option A is biological and therapeutic effects of drug, B is absorption and distribution of drug, C is mechanism of drug action and D is drug interaction. So as you know, the pharmacodynamics means the effect of drug on the body, that is called as a pharmacodynamics. So biological and therapeutic effect of drug, it is the part of pharmacodynamic study. Mechanism of drug action, it is the pharmacodynamics, and drug interaction is also involved in the pharmacodynamics. But the absorption and distribution of drug, these are the two processes which are involved in the pharmacokinetic study. So here the question is given, pharmacodynamics involves the study of following except option number B, that is absorption and distribution of the drug. Next MCQ. Indicate the local anesthetic agent which has a shorter duration of action. Option A is lidocaine, B is procaine, C is bupivacaine and D is the ropivacaine. Here the local anesthetic agent which has a shorter duration of action, that is procaine. So option B is correct. Next MCQ. Indicate the location of M2 cholinesterase type. Option A is heart, B is glands, C is smooth muscles and D is the endothelium. So location of your M2 cholinesterase, that is option number A, that is heart. Next MCQ. Catecholamine includes following except option A is ephedrine, B is epinephrine, C is isoprenaline and D is the norepinephrine. Here the catecholamines includes epinephrine, then isoprenaline and D is the norepinephrine. So except is the option that you have to choose, so it is ephedrine. Next MCQ. Bronchial smooth muscles contains option A is alpha 1 receptor, B is alpha 2 receptor, C is beta 1 receptor and D is beta 2 receptor. Here the correct bronchial smooth muscles contains the receptor, that is beta 2 receptor. So option D is correct. Next MCQ. Propranolol has all of the following cardiovascular effect except option A is it decreases the cardiac work and oxygen demand, B is it reduces the blood flow to the brain, C is it inhibits the renin secretion and D is it increases the atrioventricular nodal refractory period. Here the propranolol has all the following cardiovascular effect except B, that is it reduces the blood flow to the brain. This is not the effect of your drug, that is propranolol. Next MCQ. hypnotic drugs are used to treat. Option A is psychosis, B is sleep disorders, C is narcolepsy, and D is the Parkinsonian disorders. So here hypnotics are the drugs which are used to treat the sleep disorders. So option B is correct. Next, which of the following drug is used in the treatment of Parkinsonian disorders? Option A is phenytoin, B is selegiline, C is haloperidol, and D is the fluoxetine. Here the drug which is used in the treatment of Parkinsonism disorders, that is option number B, selegiline. Next, alcohol may cause. Option A is CNS depression, B is vasodilation, C is hypoglycemia, and D is the all of the above. So here alcohol may cause the CNS depression, also it may cause the vasodilation, and it also produces the hypoglycemia. So option D, all of the above is correct. Next MCQ, which of the following analgesics is a phenanthrene derivative? Option A is fentanyl, B is morphine, C is methadone, and D is the pentazocine. Here the analgesic which is a phenanthrene derivative, that is option number B, that is morphine. Next MCQ, neuroleptics are used to treat. Option A is neurosis, B is narcolepsy, C is psychosis, and D is the Parkinsonian diseases. So here narcoleptics are used for the treatment of psychosis, so option C is correct. Next MCQ, monoamine oxidase A. Option A is it is responsible for norepinephrine, serotonin, and tyramine metabolism. B is it is more selective for dopamine. C is metabolizes the norepinephrine and dopamine. C is deaminates dopamine and serotonin. So here monoamine oxidase A, it responsible for norepinephrine, serotonin, and tyramine metabolism. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, which of the following benzodiazepines has the shortest duration of action? Option A is triazolam, B is clorazepate, C is prazepam, and D is chlordiazepoxide. So here the correct option is triazolam, which is having a shortest duration of action. Next MCQ, indicate the nootropic agent. Option A is Sindocar, B is Lutrococci extract, E is fluoxetine, and D is the paracetam. So here nootropic agent is option number D, that is paracetam. Next MCQ, tolerance is associated with. Option A is an ability to compensate for the drug effect, B is increased deposition of drug after chronic use, C is compensatory changes in receptor, effector, enzymes, and D is the all of the above. So here tolerance is associated with ability to compensate for the drug effect, increased deposition of drug after chronic use, that is for the long term use, and compensatory changes in receptors and effector enzymes. If we are using the drug for the longer duration of time, it will cause the changes in your receptor and effector enzymes. So that's why option D is correct, that is all of the above are associated with the tolerance. Next MCQ, which route of drug administration is most likely to lead to the first pass effect? Option A is sublingual, B is oral, C is intravenous, and D is the intramuscular. So the drug which undergoes the first pass effect, which is because of the oral administration of the drug. So option B is correct. And last MCQ, half-life, that is T half, doesn't depend on. Option A is biotransformation, B is time of drug absorption, C is concentration of drug in plasma, and D is the rate of drug elimination. So here half-life of the drug, it does not depends on time of drug absorption. So option B is correct, since it is depends on the biotransformation, concentration of drug in plasma, and rate of drug elimination. So option B is correct. So in this way we have discussed the MCQs from summer examination 2019 for the subject pharmacology 1 BP 404T. Now we will discuss the next paper, that is winter examination 2019 for the subject pharmacology 1 BP 404T, and we will discuss its MCQs and their answers. So if we see here the first one MCQ, dash dash disease may be induced by drug. Option A is peptic ulcer, B is hepatitis, C is Parkinsonism, and D is all. So here the disease may be induced by the drug, that is Parkinsonism. So option C is correct. Next MCQ, how many helix are present in G protein receptor? Option A is 6 helix, B is 7 helix, C is 3 helix, and D is the 4 helix. As we all know, helix are the present in G protein coupled receptors, and which is made up of 7 helix structure. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, which of the following agent is precursor of dopamine? Option A is bromocryptine, B is levodopa, C is silagilin, and D is the none of the above. So here the agent which is the precursor of dopamine is option number B, that is levodopa. Next MCQ, alcohol shows synergistic effect with. Option A is imipramine, B is diazepam, C is barbiturates, D is all of these. So alcohol shows the synergistic effect with diazepam. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, fifth one, which of the following categories of adrenergic drug used in bronchial asthma? Option A is selective beta 1 agonist, option B is selective beta 2 agonist, C is selective beta 1 antagonist, and D is selective beta 2 antagonist. So here the categories of adrenergic drug which is used in the bronchial asthma, that is selective beta 2 agonist. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, first pass metabolism occurs in. Option A is stomach, B is lung, C is pancreas, and D is the liver. So as you know, the first pass metabolism is occurred in the liver. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, indicate the competitive antagonist of BZ receptors. Option A is flumazenil, B is picrotaxin, C is zolpidem, and D is the temazepam. So here competitive antagonist of BZ receptor is flumazenil. So option A is correct. Next MCQ 8, no surgical operation should be performed during dash stage of anesthesia. Option A is first stage, second B is second, C is third, and D is the fourth stage of anesthesia. So here the surgical operation is not performed during the fourth stage of anesthesia. So option D is correct. Next MCQ 9th, pilocarpine is commonly used in treatment. Option A is myasthenia gravis, B is mushroom poisoning, C is anticholinesterase poisoning, D is glaucoma. So here pilocarpine is commonly used in the treatment of glaucoma. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, there are dash types of muscarinic receptors. Option A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, and D is 5. So muscarinic receptors and their types are 5. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, phenytoin acts on. Option A is sodium channel, B is calcium channel, C is both A and B, and D is the none of the above. So phenytoin acts on the sodium channel. So option A is correct. Next MCQ 12, metabolic transformation phase 1 is. Option A is acetylation and methylation of substances, B is transformation of substance due to oxidation, reduction, and or hydrolysis, C is glucuronide conjugation, D is binding to plasma protein. So here the correct option, that is metabolic transformation, is transformation of substances due to oxidation, reduction, or hydrolysis. So option B is correct. Next MCQ 13, anticholinergic effect on human eye is. Option A is cycloplegia, B is mydriasis, C is increased IOP, and D is all. So here anticholinergic effect on human eye is because of option number D, that is all. Next MCQ, dash anticholinesterase useful in Alzheimer's disease. Option A is arecolin, B is donazepam, C is isoproterenol, D is chloroquinol. See here the anticholinesterase is useful in the Alzheimer's disease, that is option number B, that is donepezil. Next MCQ, what drug does to the body is. Option A is pharmacokinetics, option B is pharmacodynamics, C is pharmacotherapeutics, and D is the pharmacogenomics. So as we have already discussed these pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic in summer examination 19 paper, pharmacodynamics involves the study of drug does to the body, whereas pharmacokinetics means what is the body does to the drug, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion, and pharmacodynamics means what is the drug does to the body. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, what is the reason of complicated penetration of some drugs through brain blood barrier? Option is high lipid solubility of the drug, B is meningitis, C is absence of pores in the brain capillary endothelium, and D is high endocytosis degree in brain capillary. So reason of complicated penetration of some drugs through the brain blood barrier is option number C, that is absence of pores in the brain capillary endothelium, which make it intact, and the drug needs a higher penetrability or the high log P value to penetrate this biological membrane. Next MCQ 17. Phenytoin is used in treatment of option A is petit mal epilepsy, B is grand mal epilepsy, C is myoclonic seizures, and D is all of the above. So phenytoin, it is used in the treatment of all types of epilepsies and seizures. So option D is correct, that is all of the above. Next MCQ, atropine causes option A is bradycardia and bronchoconstriction, B is tachycardia and bronchodilation, C is hypotension and bronchoconstriction, D is hypotension and bronchodilation. So here atropine causes option number B, that is tachycardia and bronchodilation. Next MCQ, dash dash is not produced by predictable adverse drug reaction. Option A is intolerance, B is rebound response, C is secondary pharmacological response, and last one is none. So dash dash is not produced by predictable adverse drug reaction, that is option number A, that is intolerance. And last MCQ 20, which one of the following example of ion channel receptor? Option A is serotonin, B is nicotine, C is dopaminergic, and D is muscarinic. So example of ion channel receptor, that is option number B, that is nicotinic. So in this way we have discussed the MCQs of winter examination 2019. In the next video we will see the MCQs for the next subject, that is BP 405T. Thank you so much for watching this video.